In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using HubSpot's new lead scoring tool in 2025. As we dive into this updated guide, we'll explore the setup process, best practices, and the exciting AI-enhanced scoring intelligence that HubSpot now incorporates. First, let's talk about what's changed in lead scoring for 2025. The legacy lead scoring system, which some of you may be familiar with, is officially being phased out. As of May 1st, 2025, you won't be able to create custom score properties using the old system. Starting July 1st, editing of existing legacy scores will be disabled, and by August 31st, these scores will cease to update entirely. This evolution paves the way for HubSpot's more modern and robust scoring system. Now, the new system allows you to create distinct scores based on specific criteria, fit, engagement, or even a combination, granted you have the Marketing Hub Enterprise plan. Fit scores are determined by ICP-style data such as job title and company size, while engagement scores are driven by behaviors like email interaction and form submissions. For a more holistic approach, combining these scores into a unified model is a powerful feature available to those with advanced HubSpot plans. AI-powered scoring is where things get particularly intriguing. HubSpot leverages your historical CRM data to suggest the most predictive behaviors, guiding you in creating highly effective scoring models. You can now establish multiple models per segment or persona, with helpful explainability features to easily understand what exactly tags a lead. And as market trends evolve, retraining and refining these models can be done seamlessly and entirely within HubSpot. Let's move on to the quick setup steps for your lead scoring within HubSpot. Start by heading to the Marketing section, where you'll find the lead scoring option. Once there, click on Create Score, and select your desired object among contact, company, or deal based on your specific plan. You'll then choose your score type. This could be fit, engagement, combined, or deal score, depending on your strategy and requirements. When you're ready to define your score, you'll give it a name and then begin defining positive and negative criteria, setting them up with group point limits. Setting inclusion lists and thresholds is also an important part of this process, which ensures you'll only score contacts who meet certain predetermined criteria, such as being known within your database. Once you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and review everything before turning on the score. From there, you can monitor, edit, or even deactivate your scores as necessary using the lead scoring dashboard. And there you have it. An efficient and streamlined approach to utilizing HubSpot's enhanced lead scoring tool for 2025. By following these steps and harnessing the power of AI, you can optimize your lead scoring processes to better align with your business goals.